Hi guys, I'm Aishwarya and welcome back to SS Beauty's YouTube channel. Today I'm here with
Gopi.
and
Vinayak.
so we have a very fun video lined up for you guys today. We are going to discuss makeup and skincare basics and I'm also going to test you guys. Are you guys excited?
Yeah, I'm ready to soak up with all my beauty
Knowledge? And
I'm very excited, but I'm very nervous as well.
okay, it's going to be a blast. So let's get started with today's video. So the first segment of this video is guess the tools. I'm going to show you guys some beauty tools and you will have to tell me what they are, what they do. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
I'm excited for your excitement. Okay.
I know this.
Oh, interesting. Okay, let's start with the makeup brushes. So I'm going to show you the makeup brushes one by one and you'll have to tell me what they do. And by the way, you guys, we have taped everything so that they can't like cheat off of the brushes. So yeah. Okay, what is this brush?
This is for foundation.
Oh, damn, Gopi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Honestly, I used to think a brush is a brush. You can use it anyways.
Yeah, but you don't use one brush to do your full face,
Okay,
right?
I'll go with him. Foundation.
Okay, you're right. This is a foundation buffing brush. You use this to blend out your foundation.
Okay.
Moving on, what is this brush?
No idea. I just don't know.
Answer.
Eyelashes, maybe.
I mean, you're not completely
Eyebrow?
wrong. Oh yeah, very nice, Gopi. Yes. So it's an eyebrow brush with a spoolie on the other end. So you use this to fill in your eyebrows and you use this to even it all out. Moving on, what is this brush?
Not sure. You want
No
to
clue.
answer?
No clue.
Okay, so this is a flat eyeshadow brush. You use this to apply eyeshadow on your eyelid, like. And this I'm really scared to give you guys because I don't know what your answer is gonna be. But what is this brush?
I've given up.
You guys can hold it. It's not gonna bite you.
I don't know.
Pass.
But pass, just try.
No idea.
No idea.
Okay, so this is a highlighter or a fan brush. You use this to apply a highlighter. Okay, so the last brush is this. You guys have to get it. It's really easy.
It's for foundation.
Didn't you just see another foundation brush? How can we use two foundation brushes?
Blush, right?
I mean, yeah, technically you're not wrong. So this is a powder brush. This is a fluffy brush which you can use for powder, compact, blush, bronzer, basically anything which is like in powder form. So yeah, but yeah, you still get like half
Only the
of
same.
it.
Foundation.
Foundation is not powder. Foundation is liquid. Powder is the powder. So you guys, what is this?
This I know. It's a makeup sponge.
Ooh, and Gopi?
Yeah, it's kind of sponge.
And it does what?
No idea.
Okay, so this is a makeup sponge. You use this to blend out all your cream products. You can use it for powder products as well, but mainly people use this for their cream products like foundation, concealer, cream product. And next tool we have is this. What do you guys think this
I
is?
know this. I saw one of my friends using this. It's a eyelash curler, right?
Yes, I've seen you using it before your lights. So that's why I know.
Okay, so it is an eyelash curler. Basically, you use this to curl your lashes to give it a lift.
It looks so dangerous. How you can guys even use this?
I know it literally looks like a torture device, but I think beauty is pain. So. Okay, and the last tool of the day is this. What do you guys think this is?
Soap?
No idea, dude.
Legit? You guys can touch it, you know, right?
No idea.
No idea.
No idea.
Pass. Okay, so this, you guys, is a gua sha. You use this to sculpt your face. You use like a facial oil or a serum and you just do this and you get like an amazing jawline. Okay, so moving on to our next segment, which is a fun little game called Never Have I Ever. Have you guys played it before?
Yeah.
I have seen it, but I've never played it.
Okay, amazing. So let's start with the first question. First question is, never have I ever gone to a store just to apply a product or sprayed some perfumes and left? I mean, it's quite obvious. We all do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, as I told you earlier, if it comes to perfume, I do research. So it's not a bad thing.
Yeah.
Just spread it before you purchase. It's just a taste before invest.
Yeah. Definitely. Makes sense.
So I used to do it in college
Yeah.
just to save money.
We've all been there.
Like now, I want to try like new products and figure out if it's for me or not. So at that time I do that.
Okay, so you guys are absolutely right, and especially when it comes to beauty products, you need to try before you buy. So definitely visit your nearest SS Beauty store and we'll be happy to help you. Okay, so moving on to our next question. Never have I ever used someone else's skincare without their knowledge.
I have.
I have. Many times.
Really?
Yeah.
Whose skincare do you steal?
My sister.
Oh, that's so cute.
Same. I've stolen a lot.
I think it's just a brother and sister thing.
Correct.
Yeah, correct.
It's a sibling thing, so I also like steal my sister's sunscreen when I ran out of mine. Okay, next question. Never have I ever bought a fragrance just because the bottle looked awesome. Ooh, Vinayak, what have you bought?
So by Rabanne Phantom. Like,
Oh,
have you
yeah.
even seen the bottle?
Yeah, it looks
It
super
looks
cute.
really nice.
We'll pop a picture here.
And I think I thought that it's a very good buy.
Yeah, it is. It
is.
smells amazing.
It's a good fragrance. too.
Yeah. And finally, never have I ever tried makeup that turned out to be a disaster.
So honestly, I've never worn makeup in life. So this is the first time I'm wearing concealer, and it's very weird. I don't know how it looks. So maybe you guys can tell in the comment section.
Yeah, it looked good.
Yeah, I think you look fab.
Thanks, guys.
And yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. What did you guys learn from today's video? Vinayak.
Gua sha is for good jawline. Thank you.
Yeah, you
I'm
can take
keeping
this.
it.
And what about you, Gopi?
Yeah, I learned about some beauty tips and your equipments.
Equipment, he says. What did you guys learn from this video? Let me know in the comments down below. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.